Have you ever heard of the right of survivorship as part of joint ownership of an asset or property? And if you have, maybe have you wondered, gee, how does it really work? It's an important, crucial concept in estate planning, especially when deciding how to manage jointly held assets. So in this video, we're going to break down what the right of survivorship is and how it affects your estate plan. Hi there, my name is Bill O'Leary from Legacy Planning Law Group. We're an estate planning, elder law, and probate law firm in Jacksonville, Florida. By the way, if you're planning your estate and you want to better understand what joint ownership and joint with survivorship means, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips. So I'm going to jump into the topic here of this video, understanding the right of survivorship as part of joint ownership. So in this video, you're going to learn two things, two takeaways, I hope. One, how the right of survivorship is an important part of joint ownership of assets and property. And two, some things that you need to know about the right of survivorship. So let's jump in. The right of survivorship is a really important feature or aspect of certain types of joint ownership. Not everything that's owned jointly is owned right of survivorship. It has to be set up in the right way, intentionally as such, to be deemed right of survivorship. So here's what you need to know. First of all, what is right of survivorship? The right of survivorship means that when one joint owner passes away, their share of the property automatically transferred to the surviving owner, joint owner. And this transfer happens outside of the probate court process, making it a faster and simpler process. So that's what right of survivorship is. And what are some common uses of right of survivorship? Well, it's most often seen in joint tenancy, or what's called tenancy by the entirety. Married couples that can use tenancy by the entirety often use it for real estate, owning real estate together, bank accounts, other shared assets. But even between non-spouses, so think, siblings, that sort of thing, parent-child, you can own joint with survivorship. It ensures that the surviving joint owner, whether it's a spouse or other non-spouse co-owner, retains full ownership, again, without any court involvement. The advantages of joint with right of survivorship is that it avoids probate, which saves time and money and a lot of stress for the surviving joint owner. It also will ensure the transition of ownership is going to be seamless, which can be really helpful during what is otherwise an emotional time. Now, what are some potential drawbacks? While it's convenient, the right of survivorship can create complications for sure. So as an example, let's say you want to leave your share of the property or asset to someone other than the joint owner. This happens all the time. This arrangement, the joint with survivorship, is going to override your will. And I've had clients that say in their will, I want everything to go to my three children equally, as an example. But then they have this bank account or this investment account where just one of the three children is on joint with survivorship. Well, guess what? When the client dies, that account is going to just the one child by survivorship. It's not getting shared among all three. So it's important that you know how this works so that the asset will pass the way that you want. And so if you wanted to go to all three children, then you probably don't want your child on as a joint with survivorship kind of owner. By the way, also creditors of the surviving joint owner, think credit card company or even like a car accident, they're a creditor, that injured driver, they could potentially claim that jointly held asset. So how do you decide if joint with survivorship is right for you? The right of survivorship works well for some, but not in all situations. So it's not a one size fits all. It's really important to align it with your overall estate planning goals and consider other important tools like a living trust, much better way, living trust, if you want more control over the distribution of your assets. If you'd like to discuss a little bit more how joint ownership could fit into your estate planning, give us a contact here at Legacy Planning Law Group. We're here to help you navigate those important decisions. And so you can go ahead and schedule a free 15-minute discovery phone call with our team. Go to our scheduling calendar, which you can get to very easily by clicking on the box that now is appearing at the bottom of this video. It's a clickable link. Pick the day and time. It takes you to the scheduling calendar on our website. Pick the day and time that works for you. Very easy. By the way, for more estate planning tips, do like our this video and subscribe to the channel, please. So, Bill O'Leary, I'm going to sign off for now until we talk again. Go make it a great day and a better world, and catch you on the next video that I do.